Knowledge checks. How can you use knowledge checks to fight the forgetting curve and encourage students to learn and retain the content? What are knowledge checks? Knowledge checks are ungraded or low stakes tests or quizzes. They include multiple attempts. So, what's the goal? The goal is to help students, as I said, discover the gap in their knowledge. Must be completed in that week or module. Think of the forgetting curve. The more you actually have students closer to when they are exposed to the content, the better it is. The grades. If graded, you can drop the lowest grade or the lowest grades. So if you have 15 of these knowledge checks, you can decide to drop the lowest 2 or the lowest 3 of these grades. How to? Create a large pool of questions, so more exposure to the content when multiple attempts are taken. So begin small, begin to create these tests and then add to them. Another idea is to have students help and create this large pool. This could be an extra point or a bonus assignment where students create the questions and the answers and you can choose from them. You can also decide to provide feedback on the question that are answered incorrectly. So again, giving them that feedback that help them take content and information from short-term into long-term memory. And last one, feedback. Provide feedback on the incorrect questions. And also, as you look, so you can create these questions where you get a summary of which question is the students are getting wrong. And you can create a short video to explain to the students which of these questions, why they answered them wrong, and provide more information. Hope this helps.